Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger video calls while chatting. If you're trying to make a video call on Messenger while chatting and you're not being able to do so, then keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're walking through this kind of an issue, the first thing to do is to restart your device. Hold the power button and from the option select Restart. Restart your device, and once you are done, go and see if that fixes your issue. If it does not, the next thing to do is to go to your settings on your phone and tap it on. Now, search for apps from the list, tap on the apps option, and select Messenger from the list of the applications that are installed on your device. Once you support the app, tap it on. This will open up your app info page. Now, first, stop the application by tapping on the force stop option. At the bottom right from the pop-up, select OK. From the same page, tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. And from the pop-up, select OK. Now, go back to the Facebook Messenger application and try making the video call again. After you perform this action, you might be able to solve the issue on Messenger. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.